What if the furniture you already have can still work with a completely new interior style? The goal is to create a minimalist interior with a Scandinavian touch by working with the existing furniture pieces and making them blend naturally with the new design. In this video, you'll see how the right colors, materials, and furniture choices can bring a new personality to your home. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. Since the owner wanted to keep some of the existing furniture pieces, the design focused on improving the surrounding elements and creating a more cohesive look. Let's start with the base finishes. The walls, ceiling, and flooring were updated using soft neutral tones to create a clean foundation for the entire room. This simple and balanced approach is one of the key ideas behind minimalist Scandinavian interiors. Next, an accent wall was added to give the living area more character. Instead of adding too many decorations, the textured finish creates visual interest through the material itself. For the seating area, the existing sofas were kept and became one of the main elements that guided the design. The dusty crimson upholstery already adds warmth and personality to the room, so instead of replacing it, the design used it as an accent color. To complete the seating arrangement, a coffee table was added in front of the sofa. Its simple shape keeps the area functional without adding unnecessary visual weight, helping maintain the clean and uncluttered appearance of the space. A side table was also added beside the sofa to provide a convenient surface for everyday items. Moving to the floor, the area rug helps create a more comfortable feeling under the furniture and helps connect the different elements together. For the wall decoration, an artwork piece was added to bring a personal touch into the room. Its colors were chosen to complement the sofa and connect the elements of the room. The TV area was also designed with a combination of fluted panels and a wood TV panel added behind the television. A floating console was also installed below the TV to provide storage while maintaining a lighter appearance. For the windows, soft neutral curtains were added to control natural light while complementing the warm tones used throughout the room. To bring more natural elements into the space, indoor plants and decorative pieces were added. The flower decor placed on top of the coffee table was matched with the sofa's color palette to create a more connected and balanced look. Lastly, the lighting design completes the transformation. The ceiling light provides the main illumination, while the floor lamp creates a warm lighting. The strip lighting behind the feature wall highlights the textures, especially during the evening. So, the living area now becomes a more personalized and comfortable minimalist interior where existing furniture and new design elements work together naturally with an estimated total cost of $2,500 to $3,100. To continue the design concept, the workspace was planned around clean lines, practical storage, and natural materials. Instead of adding separate furniture pieces that could make the area feel crowded, a built-in workspace was introduced to maximize the available space. The floating desk creates a dedicated area for working while keeping the floor open and visually lighter. The drawers below also provide storage, helping maintain the clean and organized look that is important in minimalist interiors. Above the desk, the wall-mounted shelves and overhead cabinets were added to make use of the vertical space. The simple cabinet design and warm wood finish also add the Scandinavian influence by bringing a more natural and comfortable feeling into the workspace. Beside the desk, a tall open shelf was added to provide extra storage and display space. Because minimalist design focuses on keeping only meaningful items visible, the shelf creates a place for selected books and decorative pieces without making the area feel cluttered. To complete the setup, a comfortable office chair was added. Its simple form and neutral color blend with the overall design, while its ergonomic shape makes the workspace more suitable for everyday use. The owner also wanted to keep the existing rug, so it was incorporated into the new design. Its darker pattern adds contrast against the lighter finishes and helps define the workspace area while still connecting with the rest of the interior. For lighting, the integrated strip lighting under the cabinets and shelves adds a soft glow that highlights the built-in features while making the workspace feel warmer, especially during evening use. With these designs, the working area becomes a simple yet practical space while keeping the same minimalist Scandinavian character of the home with an estimated total cost of $1,000 to $1,200. The goal was to create a more relaxing and organized bedroom while keeping the existing bed frames and maintaining the same minimalist interior with a Scandinavian touch. For the bed area, the existing stainless bed frame and neutral bedding already provided a clean foundation. Behind the bed, the headboard and feature wall became the main design element. The natural wood tones help bring warmth into the bedroom, while the clean forms maintain the minimalist approach. To complete the wall composition, an artwork piece was added above the bed. Between the beds, a nightstand was introduced to provide a practical surface for everyday items. Its wood finish also adds another natural element that supports the warm Scandinavian style. Moving to the floor, the area rug was added. This small addition makes the room feel more comfortable and balanced, which is an important part of creating a relaxing bedroom. For the TV wall, a fluted wall panel was added behind the TV to introduce texture, while the floating console provides storage without making the wall feel heavy. The addition of an indoor plant brings a natural detail into the room and helps soften the straight lines of the built-in elements. For the wardrobe area, the focus was on creating better organization while keeping the clean appearance of the bedroom. A full-height mirror was also incorporated to improve daily functionality while making the room feel more open by reflecting light throughout the space. For lighting, the pendant lights provide focused lighting above the nightstand while adding a simple decorative element that matches the modern Scandinavian feel. The integrated strip lighting around the feature wall highlights the textures and creates a softer atmosphere at night. Through these design choices, the bedroom becomes a more relaxing space while proving that existing furniture can still work beautifully with a new design direction, with an estimated total cost of $1,200 to $1,500. This transformation shows that a home does not always need a complete change to feel new. With the right design choices, existing pieces can still become part of a fresh and updated minimalist interior with a Scandinavian touch. Which area stood out to you the most? The living area, working space, or bedroom? Let us know in the comments below. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. If you're a professional or student looking for a faster way to create your floor plans, check out Design Burst Pro, a smarter AutoCAD workflow designed to help you spend less time drafting and more time designing. Click the link below for more information about this digital product. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.